Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder items on the Instacart app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reorder the same items on the Instacart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on orders on the top left hand side. Then on this page here, you can find items that you recently ordered. In order to reorder these items, you can click on add all to cart and it'll add all the items that you've ordered from that grocery store to your cart. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reorder items on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.